periods back. I wasn't a big fan of the halves. This is in football.
Yeah, no, I agree.
Yeah, last weekend they did 4 games and they did 23-minute half. Not a big fan of that. That's not hockey.
Someone just decided they want to play.
Well, I think, yeah. It had something to do with time for the Zamboni, usage of the Zamboni or something. I don't know how that worked out, but they still had to clean the ice every time. So whether it was in between the halves or at the end of the game, they're still cleaning it. I think it had to do with timing too. They thought 2 halves would be better than 23-minute halves. So technically, yeah, they saved more time, but either way. Stick by Kanan, number 20. Nice to see him back. Looks like he had no ice. Alright, we got Hefner just came on. That's a big hit by Hefner. Coming off the bench. Let's get him. Oh, I thought that went in. That was after the winner. Almost went in. Right there, right there.
Oh, quick whistle. Wow. Quick whistle.
We don't like it though. He thought the goalie had it.
Some solid forechecking from this line here.
Oh, nice shot. After taking it around. Oh, yeah. Keep it in. Call for it, Hefner. Call for it.
Oh, well.
They're getting some shots on goal. They're getting some good looks. Hefner says, not today. Oh, that's a good start. Call for it. Right back to Rico.
Get someone in front.
Nice look, right there.
One net.
Oh! There it is. Oh, there. Oh, my God. Nope. There we go. No ice.
Pass. Oh. Middle.
Right there, right there, right there.
Great pressure from
Yeah, a lot of pressure. I'm sure, what's the other team's name? I'm sure Black's looking to ice it soon. Let him ice it, let him ice it. Keep it in, keep it in. There we go. We're good, good, good. Oh, we got
The penalty coming up on Team Wisconsin. It's number 21, Coghlan. 2 minutes.
tripping. 4 on 5 for 2 minutes.
You got a bit of hooking, actually.
Did that?
It certainly did.
Hooker.
We are live. I think I saw you going back anyway. They can ice it on power play.
Yep. Yep. And there's no,
No ice.
they can tag up for all sides, which is
Right.
different from last week.
Right.
I like it. And they have 3 periods.
Yeah.
Welcome back.
That's right.
There's only Wisconsin is the WIA rules. Get it out of there. Get it out of there, great. Nice job. Get around, get around, get around, get around, get opportunity there. Good save by the goalie. Good save by the goalie. Icing on TW, 5:29 left in the first period. We got ourselves a good game.
Let's go.
Nobody home. Go, McDonald, get in there. Outside. Outside. Still off, still off, still off. Get on that, get on that, get on that. Here we go. Gotta get a shot. Jeez. Good stick, good stick. Move it, move it, move it. Come on, come on. Go around, go around him. What? Don't call that a hit.
3:29 left in the first period. No score.
You find yourself sometimes when you're recording this. Yesterday, you're watching the game.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I know.
Just a rookie.
Oh no, the veterans do it too. Yeah. The game last weekend, I was watching it for like, I don't know, 30 seconds or a minute. I just never rotated it.
It's a great.
Sorry for those at home.
You should just mount the camera to your head.
Go, go, go. Here we go. Yeah, one-on-one. I like our odds. Oh!
Nice job getting a shot off.
excited here.
Outside, 142 remaining.
No score. Blizzards, huh?
The Blizzards or the Blizzard? I'm not sure if you've got plural there. I believe it's Blizzard. Is that right? So that's a series of video events. Is that correct? Feinstein's coming out. Nice. McDonald runs into the ice monster.
Here we go. Here we go. Come on, move it.
Feinstein breaking a foot.
You gotta let them know we're in gray. Come on, let's get something going here. Watch out, watch out! Nice job! Woo! He was all alone up there for a minute.
Best opportunity tonight so far for the Blizzard.
Blizzard? Who says?
Oh, singular. Yeah. Not sure. We can resolve this.
Cross-reference there.
Some time.
Gosh, let's get it out of there, boys. No, 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 no.
10 seconds remaining here.
It's like 3 seconds. There we go. Period. 0-0. We're getting shots on goal. Fairly even, I'm gonna guess.
Hey, teams not something. Yeah. More action down in those. Even the best teams right.
All right, we are going to. So I'm assuming they're clearing the ice. The loading guy is ready to go. Let's see it. Are they clearing the ice?
Looks like
We got a decision. We got a debate.
Hear the Zamboni warming up.
Yeah, Zamboni looks like he's coming out. Jess, what do you think about that? Are we clearing ice or not clearing ice? Oh,
Trying to get us back on
we're
track
gonna go with
since
no.
we're late.
I think
Because
the ice.
we had a late start, maybe they're going to skip it one period.
So hang tight, guys. Looks like we are gonna full go.
I think probably can be starting late and trying to get caught up.
At this age, though, they need to clear the ice in between periods. I'm gonna say this is a bad decision, but you shouldn't have to penalize teams when they're
Well, unfortunately,
when they're on.
Eric, not the policy decision making. The RT guys are in.